first we have here is you press a button and the writing slope comes out. So if you wanted to be able to write on something or read, you had an extra slope. Then on the sides, you press one of the buttons and a secret drawer comes out. You press another button on the inside and secret drawers come out on the end. You press a button on the side, the lion heads come out. On the other side of the desk, which we've just turned around, what we have here is Socrates. And then you press a button further here and two more drawers come out. Another drawer at the top. Press a button, more drawers. And then you press another button and another one. Every desk needs a centerpiece. And here's the centerpiece for this one, where you open it up, the drawers come out. Of course, these are secret that lock. And then even the center drawer comes out, which is secret. On the top of it is an eagle, which is a symbol of the Roman Empire. Of course, the